Assalamualaikum, my name is SYARIFAH Noor MAISARAH binti Syed Mama AZMI. My message number is 280888 and I will explain about the introduction of the fintech and wise transfer. The neologism fintech refer to the application of technical breakthrough in the provision of financial service. It is combination of the term financial and technology. Fintech company use software and digital platform to provide innovative and efficient solution in many financial sectors, such as banking, payment, investment, insurance, and other associated fields. The way that people make payment has undergone a subtle change thanks to the discipline of financial technology or fintech. Peer-to-peer payment network, digital currency, and mobile wallet are a few examples of financial technology. So to set up this assignment, we choose WISE as our digital payment. WISE, which is formerly known as a TransferWise, was founded in January 2080, in particular when compared to a traditional bank which typical levy high fee and provide exchange rate that are less favorable. The company was established with the intention of providing an alternative for international money transfer that is both more transparent and more cost effective. Because of its innovative approach to money exchange, which utilize a peer-to-peer system to link client who demand different currency, WISE has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. Because of this, they are able to provide a service that was both more open and more economical that they offer. Next, I will explain about the feature and characteristic of WISE transfer. First, WISE application is expedite the process of international money transfer, enabling user to send funds to person or company located in other country. Second, WISE is renowned for its pricing system that is characteristic by transparency. Prior to finalizing a transaction, users are provided with the opportunity to see the precise cost they would incur as well as in the actual exchange rate. Third is WISE offer multi-currency account, allowing user to hold and manage money in different currency within a single account. The particular feature proved to be advantageous for both people and enterprise engaged in the facilitation of international transaction. And the fourth is borderless account provide user the ability to establish account that facilitate the reception of fund in many currency without any geographical limitation. The feature offers significant benefit to freelancer, enterprise, and people that engage in client interaction or financial interaction across several global regions. And the last one is the WISE offer a debit card that is associated with their multi-currency account. This card enable user to engage in transaction or withdraw fund in many currency, therefore avoiding excessive charge associated with overseas transaction. Next, I will explain about the product and services provided in WISE transfer. Actually, there are many product and services in the WISE transfer, but I only will explain 5 product and services. First is WISE is a simplify the process of foreign monetary transfer. Users have the capability of transferring payment to individual or business situated in other country with expenses that are clearly mentioned at favorable exchange rates. Next is WISE provide a variety of services for business, such as worldwide money transfer account that handle multiple different currency and tool to aid with the administration of a cross-border payment, invoicing, and expenses. Next is the business solution division of WISE is responsible for these offerings. WISE for Business was developed with the intention of meeting the needs of business of various size. It provides a variety of tools and efficiently managing the international payment, invoice, and expenditure. Next, WISE provide an application programming interface, which is API, which makes it possible for business and software developer to link their services of those of WISE. It is possible to automate payment with this as well as get programmatic access to extra capability. Next is WISE provide freelancer with the particular feature built for their unique need, such as the ability to take payment in several currency and properly manage many consent. And this last one is the travel friendly. The multiple currency account and debit card offered by WISE Transfer are designed to make it easier to spend money abroad while incurring less fee than would
Good day everyone, my name is WONG, metric number 60885. Now we continue to the how to use a guideline to WISE app. Firstly, you can download the WISE app through Android or launch it in your phone. Next, you can choose register an account or sign in with Google. Here we suggest you to click the sign in with Google. Next, you can choose to open a personal account or a business account. After that, you can insert your phone number to bind the account. Waiting for the verification code to complete the registration. Lastly, you can create your own password. Once you have done, the homepage would be like the picture shown. After that, the account with add button is to bind your bank account number. The transaction is showing the transaction you have done in the past. The exchange rate is showing you the currency from time to time. Next, you can click the card page, the second or fourth button below. You can order for a debit card or digital card in your app. The recipients page will lead you to overview your contact list who are using the WISE application. Next, the manage page will have three options, which are account details, schedule transfers, and direct debits. You can overview your bank account in this section, and you also can schedule a transfer from the below page.
Next, I will explain about the advantage and disadvantage of the WISE transfer. WISE employ the real exchange rate, which is the rate that is found in the middle of the market and does not incur any extra fee. This ensures that customers are provided with fair conditions for currency conversion, free of any additional fee that could be hidden from view. When compared to the conventional bank, WISE fee are internationally money transfer are lower and more competitive. As a result, individual and business may save money by using this service. Customers of WISE are given the ability to save, keep and manage money denominated in a variety of currency under a single account. This functionality is particularly useful for those who manage transactions involving a variety of different currency. WISE gives its customer access to a debit card that is linked to their multi-currency account. Users with this card have the ability to make purchase in currency other than their own without being subject to the excessive costs that are often associated with the international transaction. And for the disadvantage, although WISE provide support for a wide variety of currency, it is likely that certain currency that are not often traded or are not conventional will not be available. Despite the fact that WISE facility transfer in a timely manner, the speed of the transaction may still be affected by factors such as financial system involved, the currency that are being traded, and any additional security check that may be necessary. There are times when the more conventional wire transfer are the most time-effective option. Customers that have higher transaction volume or particular business need may find the WISE debit card has withdrawal restriction, which may be the consideration in the decision-making process. And also, the WISE debit card made it possible to conduct transaction in a number of different currency. However, the card acceptance may be contingent on the location and kind of the shop. It is possible that certain store or ATMs may refuse to accept the card on rare occasion. When a reception bank does not have a direct integration with WISE, there is a possibility that there may be a delay in execution of bank-to-bank transfer. This is particularly true in regions that have less developed banking system. So that's all for the advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, we continue to the Sharia compliance. TransWise, also known as WISE, is a digital money transfer service aiming to provide affordable and transparent international transactions. It is considered non-Sharia compliant for several reasons. Firstly, the fees imposed by WISE may result in interest, which prohibited in Islamic financing. Secondly, the company has the option to invest its funds in interest-based investment. Additionally, WISE lacks of a Sharia compliance certification from established monitor board. Despite this, WISE is making efforts to become Sharia compliant, as evidenced by its WISE for Business program, which aims to facilitate international business operations without hidden fees or exchange rate markup.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is AININ SOFEA, BINTI AFFIZAN, metric number 280884. Today, I would like to continue to present about the issues and challenges in WISE. First issue that I get is the absence of physical branches. Due to the absence of physical branches, WISE users may have limited access. Although WISE provide customer support through multiple channels, some individuals may prefer or require face-to-face interaction. Trust play an important thing and role in financial management, and the lack of branches may worry some consumer. It may present challenges to individuals with limited access to internet services or those who are not comfortable with technology. This may exclude certain population or individual living in areas with limited connectivity. Next issue is identity verification. Some people may feel uneasy about sharing their personal identification document due to privacy concerns. Many people value their privacy and worried about how their personal information may be used or accessed by others. They may be concerned about identity theft. Another issue is security risk. Sharing personal information increases the risk of that information being hacked and stolen. This can result in financial loss to one's reputation. The last issue is fee charges and limits. Fee usually consists of a transfer fee and a currency conversion fee, which is determined by the amount you have spending and the currency you are converting. WISE may charge a fixed fee for a certain payment method. Regarding limits, WISE has different limits for various countries and currencies. This limit is set to comply with local regulation and guarantee transaction security. So, this has affected the senders as they may be charged high fee according to the amount they want transferred to a particular country. So, let's move to the next part, which is the suggestion and solution for the issues that I've mentioned and explained before this. So, for the first solution is expanded accessibility. WISE can play to open physical branches around the world. These branches will provide direct access to knowledgeable representatives who can guide customers through the various services offered. The staff at the physical branches will be able to assist clients who have difficulties using the service quickly and easily. Even though WISE online support is exceptional, there are certain complex issues or specific needs that require in-person assistance. By having a physical branches, WISE can offer personalized support to customers and allowing them to discuss their unique circumstance. Next solution is always be alert. Prior to sharing any personal details of platform or website, ensure its credibility and reputation. Familiarize yourself with their privacy policies and terms of service to comprehend how your data will be handled. Limit the amount of information you share. Only provide the necessary details required for a specific purpose. Refrain from disclosing sensitive information such as your home address or financial data unless it is absolutely necessary and you have confidence in the requesting entity. Lastly, always employ strong passwords. This diminishes the risk of unauthorized access to your personal information. Okay, last solution is using profitable ways. To ensure that you avoid any unexpected charges or restrictions, it is essential to conduct thorough research before engaging in any transfer activities. You can initiate this process by exploring the WISE website or reaching out their customer support team for detailed information regarding fees and limits specific to your desired destination country. Take the time to research other reputable money transfer providers or consult with local banks to determine if they offer competitive rates and more favorable fee structures that align with your specific transfer requirement.
Okay, now we move to statistics, data, or user reviews. Based on Trustpilot reviews, WISE have received numerous positive comments from users. They praise the platform for its outstanding service, excellent user experience, clean and practical interface, and quickness of international transfers. Users consider WISE to be the quickest, most reliable, and most affordable money transfer service, providing helpful assistance and prompt solutions to issue.
So this is the last part of myself, which is explaining in what we have been done in contribution part. So basically, we managed to get a total of 50 respondents to collect and answer questions about the usage of WISE application among University Utara Malaysia UM students through the survey that we have prepared, which is a Google form. We found that some students know and some students have never heard about WISE transfer. So as a result, our group has agreed to contribute in spreading awareness for UAM students by building a poster about what is WISE and then the advantages of WISE and also the ways to apply and register WISE. This can make it easier for them to not have to bother like looking for information about WISE transfer, but if they still have the feeling that they do not understand it deeply, we have also provided a link to the WISE transfer page in the poster so they can navigate on their own about the misunderstandings that they face. In conclusion, distributing the WISE transfer poster throughout the university campus is an active measure to improve financial literacy and promote global connectivity. So as you can see, this is our proof that we have building a poster about what is WISE and then the advantages of WISE and also ways to apply the WISE application, and then we'll also stick it on UAM's library notice board, and also we attach WISE transfer poster at Sam Library Cafe notice board. So I think that is all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Next, I will make a comparison between WISE apps and BigPay. So for the WISE app, WISE is previously known as a WISE Transfer, is a fintech business that specializes in facilitating international money transfer, while BigPay is a financial technology company that provides digital banking system. Service. Others different is the WISE is provide transparent and cost-effective international transfer using actual exchange rate. Users have the ability to transfer fund internationally, maintain account in many currency, and obtain a WISE debit card. While for the BigPay provide a mobile application that include a digital wallet, a prepaid MasterCard, and the capability to make payment include international transfer at a competitive rate. And the third difference is WISE primarily focus on international money transfer, while BigPay provide a wide range of service include digital banking and digital wallet and a prepaid card. Next difference is WISE has a global presence, while BigPay may have designated geographical areas of operation. Other difference, WISE is a provide a service that enable user to have and control fund to many currency through multi-currency account, while BigPay offer a digital wallet and a prepaid MasterCard for the purpose of making purchase. And the last difference is WISE is well known for its focus on affordable and straightforward currency conversion, while BigPay is a provide international transfer functionality. So, in order to determine which app is preferable, it is required to take into consideration a number of the particular criteria and user scenario. Given WISE extensive experience in the sector of the international money transfer and its well-known reputation for providing competition rate, it would be more appropriate choice to individuals who require regular international money transfer. In the event that we are in need of a financial application that is flexible and has additional function, BigPay might be the most situation option for us to implement. The provision of budgeting tool and a prepaid card are two additional service that is program offer in additional to its worldwide money transfer capability. So it's up to us to decide which app is a more function for us, whether it's a WISE transfer or BigPay.
Okay, now we move to the user feedback from interview survey. The first one is the knowledge of WISE. So majority 56% Okay, now we move to the user feedback from interview survey. The first one is the knowledge of WISE. So majority 56%. Okay, next the question would be like how they know WISE. So majority they are known by friends and also social media. Thirdly, the currency used in WISE. Majority they are using Malaysian ringgit and Thai baht in this app. Okay, the fourth survey is rating. So WISE get 3 rate. Next, the question will ask for the frequency to checking the exchange rate. So half of them are not checking the currency rate. Any problem faced while using WISE? Majority is no. This section is asking whether they will promote WISE to others or not. So most of them will promote it to their friends or family. This section is asked for the last use of WISE application. So half of them are never used. The last survey is asking for the type of service used in WISE. So online payment are very favorite in this app. Okay, lastly, we move to the conclusion. TransferWise has transformed international money transfers with the transparent pricing, user-friendly platform, and robust security. Its honest pricing, real-time updates, and variety of payment options have gained trust globally. The platform's intuitive website and mobile app, advanced encryption, and adherence to financial regulations make it dependable.